Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be installing an oil catch can on a 2014 Ram 1500, and this is by Flash Shark Racing. They make really good high quality items, and inside we do get the oil catch can itself. We do get two hoses. We do have some clamps, a bolt, and also the mounting bracket. Okay guys, so in order to start with the installation of the oil catch can, we do have to remove our inlet for our intake. We're gonna remove this. We do have a small clamp over here and then one clamp on the other side, and then we're gonna take off this cover, and then we should have clear access to our two lines which we are disconnecting. And the other thing I would like to mention is that we're going to also upgrade with this within a colder intake, but that video will be separate, and it's also from a Flash Shark as well, but I'll leave the link down below. Okay, so we have our inlet popped open. Now you simply just do this on both sides. Okay, so we have the engine cover removed right over here, and then the way we're gonna mount is that mount this is right over here where we have our fan cover, and then we're going to actually use a bolt which comes included as well as no washer. And we're gonna just simply tighten this right over here on the side. Here you go, we have it tightened, and then also this does use in a size 13 socket. Of course, you can just use anything. In our case, we just use this 24-volt ratchet. And then also everything in this video, including our oil catch can. And then, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna actually make a separate video of the colder intake. However, I will still leave the link down below if you want to check that out. And then if you want to check out this ratchet, I will also leave the link down below. And then if you do use my code, you will get an extra percentage off of your order from a Flash Shark. So once again, they do make really good customization products for your vehicles, including complete exhaust, headers. Okay, so we have this installed over here. Now the most important part is we're gonna remove this line going in right over there. You're just gonna remove that from the corner. And then this goes all the way under here, right next to your fuel injectors. It's gonna come all the way over here, and it's gonna actually enter right over here under your... Okay, so we have our old line ripped out. Now we're gonna use these lines which come included with our kit. Okay, so we have installed our out one. It goes all the way from there in here. We did tighten up the two clamps. They do come included. And now we're gonna install our input one. Here's our input one. Okay guys, so we're all done with our installation. Got these hooked over here, and then got our in and out hooked over here. And all we're gonna do is just put everything back. But as I mentioned before, we are gonna actually install this colder intake also by Flash Shark. So I will actually leave the link down below. Please do go check them out. And then if you actually don't know what an oil catch can is, I'm just gonna tell you what it does is, if you don't have this oil catch can, the like oil vapors coming in from your block of the engine close to the crankshaft, it just gets rerouted directly into your intake. So it may not seem as that bad, but the thing is, it's actually full of contaminants and then also oil vapors. So those vapors, over time, they will actually start clogging your valves on your head. And like once those get clogged, you know what happens, it starts misfiring, and you start having issues over time. And the thing is, most brands don't install these OEM for two main reasons. One's because of regulations on emissions and all that bullshit. And then also the other thing is, even if they do install this, you do have to manually empty them out. And then some people barely change their oil, and if they just leave this, it will just pick up that oil and throw it back on the intake, which is even worse. So then they just let it slide by of just like taking that small amount of oil vapors, which is over time is actually killing your engine, and it has been proven. So I will highly recommend this to any type of vehicle, especially with direct injection. And at this point, this Ram has around 60,000 miles, and like this is like a really good add-on, because of course these trucks are meant to last 300,000 miles and more. So over time, this will actually help improve our health life. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.